Good morning students. I hope you all are doing well. This is our maths lecture. Today we will learn a very interesting topic in very interesting way. Students, today we will learn about tens and ones. I know this is not the first time that you are learning this. In grade 1 you have learned and it is for revision. If there are 10 sticks, then that is a bundle, and if there are less than 10, then that is not a bundle, that are loose sticks. Okay, so we have to note down that there is a bundle or loose sticks. If there are loose sticks, then that will be come in ones. Okay, अगर लूज है स्टिक्स जो है वो लूज है तो वो वंस में काउंट होंगी, और अगर कोई बंडल है तो वो टेंस में काउंट होगा. Look at this bundle and the loose sticks. What we have to do? We have to categorize these sticks into tens and ones. हमें tens और ones में इन sticks को और bundle को categorize करना है. सिंपल सा है कि जहाँ भी एक bundle है वो tens में काउंट होगा, अगर लूज है sticks तो वो ones में काउंट होगी. Okay, let us count. There is one bundle. One bundle is known as 10 sticks. So 10 sticks यहाँ पे कितने tens होंगे फिर? 1, because there is the one bundle of 10 sticks. Now the loose sticks are 1, 2, 3. 3 loose sticks हैं, then 3 will be come in the column of ones. Okay, in this way we have got the number 13. Look at it again. One bundle है, 3 loose sticks हैं. If the sticks are loose, then that will be counted in ones. If the sticks are bundled, then that will be counted in tens. So 3 sticks are there, then I have written here ones in the column of ones. And if there is a bundle, then I have to write in tens. So there is one bundle, then I have written 1. There are 3 loose sticks, then I have written 3 in ones column. Let's do another example. Now here are 2 bundles of 10 sticks. 2 bundles हैं 10 sticks के. So tens में हमें क्या लिखना है? 2 लिखना है. And loose sticks are 1, 2 and 3. 3 loose sticks हैं, then I'll write in the column of ones. Okay, students, got it that जब भी हमने 10 sticks को एक बंडल में रखा है, it means वो 10 sticks का एक बंडल है, it means वो क्या कहलाएगा? tens कहलाएगा. Okay, let's do the third example. Now look it carefully. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 bundles of 10 sticks. So it will become in the column of tens. Tens के column में आएगा 3. And let us count these loose sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 sticks are loose. Then I have to write it in the column of ones. So we have got the number 38. Let me write it again. 1 and 3 known as 13. 2 and 3 is called 23. 3 and 8 is known as 38. Now it is clear to you that if there is 1 times, it means there is 10. 10 times क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. If there is 2 times, then यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? ये 20. If there is 3 times, then it is called 30. If the number is in ones, then you know the counting 1 to 9, 3, 3, 8. तो इनको तो हम 3, 3 and 8 ही बोलेंगे. There is no doubt. Now it is time for activity. In this there are 2 containers. One is of tens and one is of ones. Look at carefully. that here are two containers. One container is of tens, TENS, and second container is of ones, ONES, ones. Now what we have to do, we have to categorize the tens and ones. Students, if I ask that categorize the number 15 in these two containers, then what you have to do, you have to categorize first that 1 comes in tens and 5 comes in ones. पहले आपको क्या करना है, 15 को कैटेगराइज करना है कि कौन सा नंबर वंस में आता है और कौन सा नंबर टेंस में आता है. लाइक 15 का 1 टेंस में आता है और जो 5 है वो वंस में आता है. सो आई विल पुट 5 स्टिक्स. I don't have sticks, so I am putting these sketches. So I'll put 5 sketches in the container of ones. Ones वाले container में मैं 5 sketches डालूंगी. Now you can count this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now there are 5 sketches in the container of ones. अब मुझे क्या करना है कि टेंस के कंटेनर में 10 स्टिक्स डालनी है. सो आई विल पुट द पेन्स और पेंसिल्स, वट एवर आई हैव, 10 पेंसिल्स और पेन. लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड काउंट विद मी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is known as 15 because there are tens. Because यहाँ पे 10 पेन्स हैं, क्योंकि टेंस का कंटेनर है तो 10 वाले काउंटिंग ही इसमें आएगी और वंस वाले कंटेनर में ओनली 1 वाली काउंटिंग आएगी, 1 to 5. जैसे ही वो 10 से अबव हो जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है, टेंस आ जाते हैं. सो दिस इज 15. लेट्स डू अनदर एग्जाम्पल. I hope you are getting the point. Let's do the another example or let's do another activity. Now we will have to categorize the number 35. So firstly, which number comes in tens? कौन सा नंबर टेंस में आ रहा है 35 में? 3 comes in tens. And which number comes in ones? 5 comes in ones. 5 नंबर जो है वो वंस में आएगा और जो 3 नंबर है वो टेंस में आएगा. बिकॉज 35 है, 35 है मतलब 3 टाइम्स है 30. ठीक है, तो मतलब आपको टेंस में क्या रखना है, 30 को टेंस में रखना है एंड 5 को वंस में रखना है. लेट्स डू इट. काउंट विद मी. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. वंस हैज़ completed. वंस में हमने 5 स्केचेस डाल दिए इसलिए ये कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ लेट्स पुट 30 टेंस इन टेंस कंटेनर. लेट्स काउंट इट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 has completed. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 has completed. 10 has left. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now we have completed the number 35 in these two containers, tens and ones. I hope you loved this activity and understood, but I want to explain you. Now we will do practice. Here you go with some questions of tens and ones, and I have kept these containers here so that you can easily recognize tens and ones. Okay, let's do it. Number is 3 to 32. It is easily considered that there is number 30 and 2. 30 means tens, so 3 will come in tens column. Okay, 3 will come in tens column and 2 will come in ones column. Students, you can also trick this that the number which comes at last, जो भी numbers last में लिखे होते हैं वो always ones से ही start होते हैं, because यही numbers होते हैं जो ones की counting में आते हैं only. Got it? Next is 4, 5, 45. It can also be easily considered that 40 means tens and the last digit is 5, so it will come in ones. So I'll write 4 in the column of tens and 5 in the column of ones. Next is 96. Similarly, 90 means in the column of tens and 6 in the column of ones. Next is 67. 60 means 6 times 10 and 7 in ones. Next is 18. 18, it is that 10 will come only one time. 18 क्यों है यहाँ पर? Because यहाँ पे कोई और डिजिट नहीं है. See, अगर 60 होता है यहाँ पर तो we can easily consider that 6, but there is only 1, 8, 18. So tens, जो 10 है वो only one time आएगा and 8 in ones. So 1, 10 and 8 means 18. Next is 3. There is only one digit 3. It is already in ones. There is no tens. Okay, so there is no need to write any tens. Just write down the number ones, 3. There is another point that you can consider like this. This is 3 and 2, 32. How it become 32? In this way, 3 tens means 30 and there is only 2. The total of these two things is 32. Next is 4 tens means 40 and the next digit is 5. 40 plus 5 known as 45. Next 9, 6. 9 comes tens. 9 times 10. So 90 plus 6 known as 96. I hope it is easily clear to you. Next is 6 and 7. 6 comes in tens column, so it is 60 plus 7. 60 plus 7 means 67. Next is 10. Why I have written 10 here? Because there is only one tens, so one time 10 will come. Plus 8 means 18. The total of 10 plus 8 is 18. Next is only 3, so it will be written as 3. Okay, so this was all about tens and ones. Thanks and have a nice day.